Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll explain if you have a Hyundai Sonata, you're trying to find the relay for the rear window defroster, also known as Defogger guys, or deicer. We will explain where that relay is located. If your rear window defroster doesn't work, it could be something else as well, and we'll have a video on the channel that will explain all that. Now, that should work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata guys. So if your rear window defroster doesn't work, okay, we will explain what can cause that and how to fix it by replacing a relay. In some cases it may not be the relay, you have a fuse as well, and it could be a switch, it could be other things as well, but in today's video we will explain about the relay. When you replace relays guys, it's very important to disconnect your car battery, okay, so you don't cause damage to the electrical system. But on these modern vehicles it really matters which terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first, positive or negative. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical system components. We did that ourselves in the past, okay, and it cost us $2,000 to fix our damage. So we have a special video that explains, okay, which battery terminal to disconnect first, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that, come to the fuse box. You have one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up. Once you flip the box guys, okay, you need to find the relay that says deicer, okay, right there. So this is that relay, okay, over there. That's the relay that we need to check. Grab it guys, it may be really stuck if it hasn't been removed, okay, like, I mean, super stuck. Ha, I finally got it out. Never been removed guys, and this is the relay. Now, if you guys want to see how to test the relay, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that explains all that. Also, we'll have a video guys, okay, that will explain, okay, how the relays functions and all that stuff. Check it out, very helpful information. And if you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So you get a new relay and you just go ahead, okay, and replace it after that. So this is guys the relay for the rear window defogger. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.